Hey, it's Aquila Mariyah here, and today I'm going to be discussing growth mindsets and how you can shift your fixed mindset to a growth mindset.
I like to sit back and watch a tree grow. I like the way they think it's all growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these.
If you are new to my channel, my name is Aquila Mariyah and I'm a mindset coach. I feel it's extremely important for you to shift your mindset from a negative one to a more positive one. So, starting with a growth mindset. If you're someone who has a growth mindset, you may look at challenges and changes as a motivator to just increase your effort and do more to achieve success. You may also look at failure as something that you can learn from, and you may not get down on yourself when you do fail at things. If you're somebody who has a fixed mindset, you may have the mindset of either you're born with it or you're not. And if you have to put more effort into something than you would like, if you're like exerting yourself, then you feel as though you can't do it. You just weren't born with it. There's no point in trying because it's not going to happen for you. If you would like to shift your mindset from a fixed one to a growth one, all you have to do is make the choice and put in the effort to shift your mindset. So some characteristics of someone with a growth mindset are they enjoy the present moment. They take action, they accept and embrace challenges, they are self-disciplined, they remain positive, they have a willingness and a drive to help others, they are resilient, they have a passion for learning, they believe in themselves, and they take calculated risks. So some steps that you can take to shift your mindset from a fixed mindset to a growth mindset are understanding that a growth mindset exists and it's possible for your brain to change. Another is to focus on the process over the results. Keeping a journal, creating a process, and refining it until the desired outcome is achieved is going to promote a growth mindset. In order for you to shift from your fixed mindset to a growth mindset, you need to step out of your comfort zone. Staying in your comfort zone isn't going to allow you to achieve anything that has to do with a growth mindset because you're in your comfort zone, which means you're not trying anything new. And if you're not trying anything new, how are you changing? And if you're not changing, how are you creating a growth mindset? And if you're not creating a growth mindset, how are you succeeding at things that you wanted to succeed at? Don't get me wrong, creating a growth mindset is going to be challenging and it's going to take a lot of effort to develop. And it's going to be a battle every day for you to not fall back into your fixed mindset. Again, that's you falling back into your comfort zone because you know what to expect. You know what your limits are, and you know that there aren't going to be as many surprises. It's going to be worth it for you to shift into a growth mindset because you will be able to achieve a lot more. This is a quote from Carol Dweck. The path to a growth mindset is a lifelong journey, not a proclamation. I say this all the time, but you can't compare your growth with somebody else's. Take your time, remember to breathe, and don't give up on yourself. It's going to take a lot of effort and you're going to want to quit so many times. But as long as you don't make the choice to quit and you keep going and you keep pushing yourself and you know that this hurts, but it's going to be worth it, and you keep reminding yourself of that and keep refining things until it works out into your benefit, then you will be able to create a growth mindset, which means you will start to be able to achieve anything that comes your way. Because you know that when difficult things happen, that just means you're learning more and you're getting better at something, and you know that it's going to be worth it in the end. So create a process and keep altering it until you produce results from that process. Don't give up on yourself. I know you can do it. All it's going to take is effort and sweat, blood, and tears. Don't worry, you got this. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you go ahead and hit the thumbs up button for the algorithm so this can reach more people. And also, if you're new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. I hope you have a positive, blissful day or night whenever you're watching this. Thank you so much for your support. I truly am grateful for you. Always remember to be love, be peace, be positive, spread love everywhere you go, and always, always be you. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these motherfuckers.